The verb aimer can be used with different adverbs to modify the intensity of the meaning to love in a negative or positive. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to learn how to express preferences in French. So let's start. French has different verbs used to express preferences. Let's see some of them. Aimer, to love, préférer, to prefer, adorer, to adore, détester, to hate, and haïr, to detest. You could also use être fou de, to be crazy about. Haïr is an irregular verb. Its present tense is je hais, tu hais, il, elle, on hait, nous haïssons, vous haïssez, il, elle haïssent. It is only used to talk about a person. It has a really strong meaning, and for that reason it is more commonly used with behaviors. For example, je hais les gens malpolis. I hate rude people. Or nous haïssons les gens impatients. We hate impatient people. Détester can be used to talk about things and people. Être fou de has a feminine version, être folle de. In the spoken language, adorer is rarely used. Instead, we prefer to use the verb aimer with both meanings, to love and to adore. Verbs expressing preferences can be followed by three things. The first one is an article and a noun. Verbs expressing preferences can be followed by a definite article and a noun. Definite articles are le, la, l'apostrophe, and les. Le, la, and l'apostrophe are used when the noun is uncountable and so singular in your English sentence. For example, j'aime le café. I like coffee. Tu détestes la mayonnaise. You hate mayonnaise. Or il préfère l'eau plate. He prefers still water. Les is used when the noun is countable and so plural in your English sentence. And here the meaning will be in general, not a specific thing. For example, elle aime les pommes. She likes apples. Tu préfères les chiens. You prefer dogs. Or, nous détestons les champignons. We hate mushrooms. But if you want to say that you like, love, or prefer, or hate something specific, if the noun is countable, use le, la, l'apostrophe. For example, j'aime la pomme rouge. I like the red apple. Or, tu préfères le chien. You prefer the dog. Être fou de can't be followed by an article. As a result, we will directly use a noun after it. Elle est folle de voiture. She is crazy about cars. The second one is a person. Verbs expressing preferences can be followed by a person. It can be someone's name, an article, and a noun referring to a person, or a possessive adjective and a noun referring to a person. For example, il aime Marie. He loves Mary. Il déteste mon ami. They hate my friend. Or, vous préférez les voisins de Paul. You prefer the neighbors of Paul, Paul's neighbors. Note that the verb aimer followed by someone means in love with. If you want to say that you like the person as a friend, for example, use aimer bien. J'aime bien Marie. I like Mary. Être fou de can be followed by a person. It means to be crazy in love with. Elle est folle de Paul. She is crazy in love with Paul. The third one is an infinitive verb. Verbs expressing preferences can be followed by an infinitive verb. For example, nous adorons nager. We love to swim. Vous préférez rester avec Marc. You prefer to stay with Mark. Or elle aime regarder la télé. She loves to watch TV. Être fou de can't be followed by an infinitive verb. If you wish to make negative sentences with verb expressing preferences, it is very easy, as always. Use ne or an apostrophe in front of the conjugated verb and pas, plus, jamais, que or rien after it. Je n'aime pas les brocolis. I don't like broccolis. Elle ne déteste plus le maïs. She no longer hates sweet corn. Or, vous n'aimez que l'eau gazeuse. You only like sparkling water. Now, instead of using the verb préféré in affirmative or negative sentences, you can use the verb aimer mieux. Aimer mieux translate as to like better, so to prefer. J'aime mieux aller au cinéma. I prefer to go to the cinema. Or, je préfère aller au cinéma. I prefer to go to the cinema. The verb aimer can be used with different adverbs to modify the intensity of the meaning to love in a negative or positive way. For example, aimer beaucoup, to love or to like a lot. Aimer assez, to quite like. Aimer bien, to like a person or something. Or aimer trop, to really like or love. J'aime trop les chansons pop. I really like pop songs. Or, elle aime beaucoup la mer. She likes the sea a lot. Note that aimer trop is quite informal. In the negation, you can use ne pas aimer beaucoup, to not like or love a lot. Ne pas aimer trop, to not really like or love. Or ne pas aimer du tout, to not like or love at all. And remember that when we form sentences, the negation is placed around the verb. For example, je n'aime pas beaucoup les papillons. I don't like butterflies a lot. Elle n'aime pas trop nager. She doesn't really like swimming. Or, ils n'aiment pas du tout lire. They don't like reading at all. The other verbs expressing preferences can be used with the adverb vraiment to mean really. Je préfère vraiment aller à l'opéra. I really prefer to go to the opera. That's it for how to express preferences. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt.